Hello everyone, I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video. See how are we gonna make this. Take two paper and fold it one over the other and then paste it and then giving creases in this way. You have to make the creases like this and your butterfly is ready to fly high. Now let's see how are we going to make this creature. Make triangular fold and then again you have to make the sandwich side fold and then fold the paper in this way. Put the googly eyes and your mask is ready. Proceeding in this way, let's see how are we gonna make this mouse. Keep on making a circular sheet, cut it like this in this form and make a conical shape. Now let's see what are we gonna do now. Make a beautiful shape like this of heart shape pattern and then paste the eyes and just put it in this way, the googly eyes and the tail, and your mouse is ready. Proceeding in this way, let's see how are we gonna make these shoes, belly shoes. Now we have to just make the paper folds in this manner so as to get a beautiful crease in this way and fold it like this. And here's to the one. Again you have to take another sheet of paper and then fold it in this way triangular and then just give it a fold in this way from backward side as well, and you have to give the crease. Fold it from the inside and yes, you are just going to be ready. Keep on giving these folds and put it inside and your shoes are ready. Proceeding in this way, let's see what are we gonna do now. Take the plastic cup, cut it from the top and then give the creases like this. Isn't it? Now let's see what are we gonna do now. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? Now give it a nice circular curvy folds in this manner and then you have to just put it in this way. Make the girl like this and your creature is ready. You can spin it this way. Now let's see, again we have to take the plastic cup in this manner and cut it like this in this way. Now what you have to do, you have to put it like this curvy shape and then with the help of glue gun you have to paste it in between and you can just play with it and rotate it. Now let's see what are we gonna do. Take the black sheet of paper and make the cutouts in this way. You have to paste it like this and again you have to take the origami paper in this way and just paste the wings to fly high and paste the googly eyes and the beak and your birds are ready. Now let's see, you have to take the circular sheet of paper, paste the circle cutouts in this manner and paste it like this, the legs and the tail, and your cartoon character is damn ready. Now let's see how are we going to make this mouse, black mouse. You have to take the cutouts like this, fold it in this manner and make the mouth look like this and give it a tail and your mouse is ready. Proceeding in this way, let's see how are we gonna make this. With the help of cylindrical shape, we have drawn a beautiful lovely two cars. Now you have to paste the splits of paper in this manner and just fold the paper in this way, give it a circular touch and your flower, you will get a beautiful lovely flower. Just paste it like this and you have to make the fold one over the other, you can paste and you can make colorful flowers in this manner. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.